now I'll walk you through how to record your slideshow. You go to Play, Record Slideshow. Now, if you had already saved a slideshow in here recorded, then you would need to hit Clear and OK. I haven't recorded this, so we're recording a new slideshow. And here we are ready to begin. As you see, my built-in microphone is picking up my voice. I can cut that out. I keep it in as just backup. I have an external mic in another device. And this is the slide being recorded. And I will use my arrow key to arrow through. First hit record, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm recording. I would talk whatever I'm teaching my students. And when I'm ready, I go to the next slide. I talk about that. I arrow over. Any transition will show up. I arrow over, another transition, arrow over, saying anything I desire, and when I'm done, record. And there's my whole thing. Now you can go back and record again at the end by dragging if you made a mistake. However, you cannot cut through the middle and edit there. You would have to record the whole thing again. So try not to make any mistakes. You could always change the audio in iMovie or your editing software though. So I'm all done here. I'll close out of that and my recording is done. I want to export it to a movie file. So export to, here are your different choices. You could even change it to PowerPoint. You could change it to PDF. I'm going to export it as a movie. And that saves here. Quality doesn't matter because I didn't have any video in here, so I'll just keep it at 720 and next, and then hit export. Finishes pretty quickly. And that is all done. That's it. That is recording and exporting your file.